Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Play Store error code issue after update in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your Play Store is not working or showing any error code or any error issue with your phone, so let's see how can you fix that. The very first thing, you just have to make sure that you're connected to internet using your Wi-Fi or something like that, and also make sure that your connection is strong. Then go to Play Store and retry to use your Play Store app to check if it fixed your issue or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, just go back to your Play Store, keep a long press on your Play Store app, click on this info button, and here just click on storage, click on clear cache, and then click on clear data. And once you have cleared cache and data, go back, click on forward stop, click OK. Now, once you have done all of this, before you retry to use your Play Store, just scroll down, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on restart icon again to have a restart with your phone. And after restarting, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.